So I finally received my package from Flamingo. We are gonna try on 2 jeans and 2 shorts. I have never tried them before, and I wear a 16-18. Let's give them a try. So for the very first pair, we have these olive green. They're super cute. They have a zipper right here. I guess it's just a design. We're gonna try these on together. Size 2X. Overall, these get a 10 out of 10. These are the second pair of jeans. They're super cute. They got some rhinestones right here. You can easily style this for a date night. High-waisted, and they accentuate your curve. They're scorched. They're super cute. They're stretchy. It's given 10 out of 10. I'm actually gonna take this set to the beach. Perfect. These were gonna be the fourth pair. They're super cute, ladies. They're washed. They don't really stretch, but I'm gonna get in these in a few weeks. Check out Flamingo and find your style. Bye guys.